name is Lindsay Weber, and I'm the Huron County Public Health Safety Communities Coordinator. As the unofficial start of summer, the Memorial Day holiday weekend is a busy time for Americans. Each year, the highways fill with families in vehicles on their way to start out their summer vacations. To keep drivers and passengers safe, the Huron County Safe Communities Coalition is here today to remind motorists to click it or ticket. Aimed at enforcing seatbelt use to help keep families safe, the 2018 National Seatbelt Enforcement Mobilization started on May 21st and runs through June 3rd. To kick off this campaign, today we have the Huron County Health Commissioner Tim Hollinger, the Ohio State Highway Patrol Laurel Post Lieutenant Charles Bullitt, and the Huron County Sheriff Todd Corbin to talk to you about traffic safety. We also have Sergeant Rick Reeder, Chief Shannon Chaffins, and Chief Mike Connie from local police departments as well that serve on our Safe Communities Coalition. Here is Tim Hollinger to speak to you about the Huron County Public Health Safe Communities Coalition.
Good morning. I want to give a brief overview of this Safe Communities program. The first component of the program is a fatal crash review committee. This committee reviews all fatal crashes, looks at the elements of those fatal crashes to see if there are any trending lines that we can see that establish why these are happening. And then we study the fatal crash areas to see if there's anything that we could do to change the elements of what caused the crash in that particular site. The second major component is the Safe Communities Coalition. This coalition reviews the trends and the patterns of all accidents as well as fatal accident sites. If the committee recognizes any pattern or any trend, then they reach out to the jurisdiction that happened in to see if there's anything that could be changed to make that area safer. And finally, they organize events that educate the public about impaired driving, seatbelt usage, and motorcycle awareness.
Up next is Lieutenant Charles Bullitt to discuss seatbelt safety and the local and statewide enforcement efforts.
Good morning. My name is Charles Gullet. I'm a lieutenant at the Norwalk Highway Patrol Post. I'm going to speak to you for a few minutes about the importance of wearing your traffic safety belt. One of the easiest things you can do to protect yourself and your family members when you get in the vehicle is to buckle up. When you buckle up, you reduce the chance of you being ejected from the vehicle if you're involved in a traffic crash. You definitely reduce the chance of you being involved in a fatal crash if you are ejected. The vehicle happens to roll over like we've seen several fatal vehicle traffic crashes here lately. And if you don't want to wear the seatbelt for yourself, do it for your family members or someone that you love or people that love you, because there's nothing worse than when we have to go to someone's home in the middle of the night to let them know that their loved one was involved in a fatal traffic crash. They ask why, what happened, and we have to tell them they were not wearing their safety belt. They died as a result of it. We're using public education and safety funds along with the statewide law enforcement partners to promote traffic safety and to deter people from not having positive habits when they're out driving in their motor vehicle. Last year, 471 people died as a result of not being belted. Nationally, 48% of the people involved in traffic fatalities died as a result of not being buckled up. As the State Highway Patrol, we take a no tolerance, zero tolerance stance on people not wearing their traffic belt, the traffic safety belt. If you're stopped for a traffic violation, you're not wearing your belt, you will be cited for it. Another reason that you should wear it is because it's not just the injuries, but the monetary value. You'll be cited for that. If you are injured in your vehicle, then the hospital bills that you can incur as a result. In short, buckling up keeps you safe. If you're a passenger in a vehicle, you have your safety belt. If you're involved in a crash, it reduces up to 45% the chances of you being in a fatal crash, and up to 50% of you getting injured in that vehicle crash. So in short, again, wear your safety belt, be safe when you're out on the roadway, and don't drive distracted. Thank you.
Please welcome up our last speaker, Sheriff Todd Corbin.
Hello, I'm Sheriff Todd Corbin, and I want to say that we're out here, the Huron County Sheriff's Office, the State Highway Patrol, Norwalk PD, Wilder Police Department. We're all here for your safety to make sure that you're safe while operating up and down the roads in Huron County. Um, Again, it's this time of the year that people are traveling more, and we just want to ensure your safety and understand that we're here to protect you and look out for your loved ones. Again, the Huron County Sheriff's Office, along with the other law enforcement agencies, are here to protect you, to make sure that you're safe this holiday season as we start a new summer 2018.
In addition to the National Seatbelt Enforcement Mobilization event, the Huron County Safe Communities Coalition will be attending events throughout the county this summer to promote traffic safety and increase the public's awareness of the importance of wearing a seatbelt, driving sober, watching out for motorcycles, and stopping distracted driving. Please come check us out at our booth and activities this Friday at the Norwalk Strawberry Festival from 4 to 9 p.m. and then on Saturday at Rotors Racing from 8 to 4 p.m. For more information about the Safe Communities Coalition and their events, please visit our Facebook page or our website at huroncohealth.com.